I used to wash her cotton in 11th, 12th standard.
I'm always in the damn metro. Let's start a startup. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do this every day. I am just sitting in Jammu, not doing anything. Nobody's asking me anything. I'm so confused. Day 2 done. Let's go.
के माध्यम से मोबाइल क्यूआर टिकट बुक कर सकते हैं।
The fact that I left office at 4:30 and it's 7 and I'm still not even home. I'm so done. This mall is shady as hell and I'm in the washroom and यहाँ पानी की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं. I don't know if anybody's in there, but do I care? We are going to watch Dhurandhar, The Revenge Part 2, which my parents already watched many days, right? Because I was in Jammu and exams and सब कुछ. But now we are watching Dhurandhar Part 2, and you don't understand how excited I am because I loved Dhurandhar Part 1, and उसको भी मैं like नहीं देख पाई in cinemas because again I was in college and didn't get time to either go there or to come here and watch it, and my parents already watched it, so this time I'm forcing them to watch it again with me. Part 2 भी वो देख चुके हैं. They went like on the day of the release or like pre-release or something. They were that excited, and apparently it's really really good, and I'm really excited. Guys, you know my continental cappuccino which I love so much. I wanted to order it, but वो Blinkit पे available नहीं था. So I got creamy coffee mix by the same company, and crazy coincidence, the company where I'm interning at Bombay Shaving Company abhi. The coffee that they have, both the coffee machines are also continental coffee machines. I love that. Let's go. Hello guys. Today, where is the sun bro? Today we are going out to film some cool stuff with cool people, and it shall be fun. मुझे करनी थी पढ़ाई, but it's okay. This is also fun, and I will not be able to do this when I'm back in bloody Jammu. So trying to maximize my opportunities and fun things that I'm doing here. I'm so excited, and I love my fit today. I've worn this top that I'm wearing for many months now, but I just never wore it because I was like, I don't know why I never wore it. It's like, why did I buy it then if I wasn't planning to wear it? Anyways, I just never wore it, and it was just lying here. But now I randomly picked it up because I couldn't find anything see it right now, but I will show it. And yeah, I'm so excited. Hi Bekri.
Hello!
Introduce yourself.
I am Bekri. I do a lot of stuff which is very random and I don't like to have a niche, so my content doesn't work on Instagram.
Mine also doesn't work on Instagram, let's be clear.
Yeah, let's do YouTube together, Avishi.
Let's go.
Collaborate. Let's start a startup together.
करते हैं, सब करते
I
हैं.
feel like starting 4 startups
Same.
at once.
Same.
Every single day.
Yeah.
But
There's just no
because-
time, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. I have all the time in the world. But I just am interning right now.
Ah, yes. No, I though don't have all the time in the world.
No,
I'm
like,
always,
because
like-
I'm interning, there's no time in the world.
Yes, correct.
guess.
She's also interning
That's
at a
sad.
very cool company. Would you like to talk about that?
I'm interning at Moxie, which is cool only.
Cool
Oh,
hai.
Shantanu and Nikita know each other.
Huh.
Yeah.
Crazy.
We did a podcast together. You guys should watch
Oh, wow. Isn't that low-key kind of like
it. The world
competitor
is a small
space?
world. No,
the world
it's
is a
not.
small. But, huh, not really.
It's a shaving company and it's
No,
a...
but they have a lot of hair products. That's the thing. My love, now that I've entered Bombay Shaving, now I've realized they have so many products which I never knew existed.
I don't know, guys. But this was like 2-3 years ago. So...
Yeah. Anyways,
Am I
you guys
gonna be on
should.
your vlog?
Yes.
Oh my god.
You guys should go check out Bekri on Instagram. Tell your
Yes,
thing.
it's at BAIKHARISONAWALE.
Oh, bhai.
Because my name is uncommon, so I don't
It's
want
very-
to
it's
confuse
beautiful.
me with
What does it
someone
mean,
else.
though?
It means voice.
And
so I
you-
use
and
my
you have a
voice.
nice voice also.
Yeah, I sing also and
Oh.
I give speeches.
It's crazy. Okay, my arm is hurting.
On this side.
Let's go.
I'm singing.
Sorry, you look like my child.
I am your child. I am Avishi's child.
Yes, that's it.
She birthed me 2 minutes ago, and I am reborn as a saint, and I'll be a celebrate on Valentine's.
I second.
Okay. I will record her with you. कोई से हंसाओ यार, कोई से हंसाओ.
You're so pretty.
अरे,
Stop.
like laugh out loud.
Your hair is so beautiful.
आरो ऐसा ही करना है.
Look at her hair. Oh my god, your glasses fit your face. Views.
Look, the kids running over there.
Moxie use करो. Moxie use करो.
Look at Moxie. Your hair is so beautiful.
अरे यार तुम हंसा
Look at
नहीं
your
रहे हो.
glasses.
मैंने पहली बार इतना
Light,
अच्छे
I
से
think
हंसाया
light
है.
जा रही है.
Two Gayatri's है.
You're beautiful.
Because this is gonna be the intro.
Body is so tea, by the way. You should know that.
Likewise.
सबको बोलती है ना तो ये?
नहीं पता.
I'm blind without my glasses, by the way, so I can't.
Actually, let's take a reel.
Let's see for like a second.
Will you take a reel of me?
Bro, this is crazy.
Don't worry, girl.
You have to tag me in that story.
I have left. I am now on my way to the metro station. But we are not going home. We are going to a different place because I am doing something very fun. I'm recording a podcast. First of all, if you have not watched any of my podcasts yet, you have to go watch because in my completely unbiased opinion, they are really good. I try to bring like really cool people that I'm in touch with who are doing cool things, and you know, they are like 5 steps ahead of you. They are not the kind of people who are like 30 and have made it in their lives, sab kuch ho gaya hai, but they are making something of themselves. They are building themselves up, and their stories are really inspiring because you can relate and you can be like, yeah man, mujhe bhi ye karna hai, and this is like the next step to do it. And I think it's exactly what I wanted to watch, and I'm able to make that. That's why I wanted to make it. So meeting someone very exciting today who I will introduce you to when I reach there. But yeah, a long way away. It's like, I think यहाँ से 45 minutes का रास्ता है from the metro. So I should be there by like 5, and then we are shooting at 5:30. So let's go. I wanted to be there even earlier, but somehow that did not end up happening. But but that is okay. And then I have like another meeting after that at 6:30. So we'll do that there only somewhere. I think I'll do it at that place only, which I have booked, because I've booked it like including वो वाला time. So let's see. Abhi to bhai, I desperately need a coffee, and I think tonight I really want to have like a solo dinner, like a nice dinner somewhere. I mean, I ordered it yesterday also, so no justification for this, but I think there is a justification because it's a pretty hectic day. So let's see what is going on. So excited. Like, I don't have much prep. I never really go into these podcast episodes with a lot of prep. I just go in with like vibes, you know, कि मुझे क्या vibes निकालने हैं इससे. So hopefully we get the vibes and should be fun. Let's go. Bro, I just live in the metro at this point. I'm always in the damn metro. Guys, this is the first time I've reached on time, and I've stuck my camera to the wall, to the glass here, and सब मेरी शक्ल देख रहे हैं because these are very serious office people, because these are their, you know, these are their offices. And मैं यहाँ पे podcast record करने आती हूँ, एक 20 साल की लड़की. Anyways, let me set everything up. Actually, so the guy I'm recording it with is Sid Begali. I don't know how to pronounce his second name, sorry if I messed it up. So Sid is basically a founder. He has started this very cool sock brand. Sock, who knew, who, that's crazy creative, man. Like this one uncle is just, anyways. So it's a very creative like sock brand. It's called Angry Toast, and they're very cool like socks, bro. So yeah, I am very excited to meet him and to record it. Like, I'm very, very excited. It's so fun, bhai, like the fact that I get to talk to cool people. Hey, great. Okay, let's go. We've kept. Thank you. एक में शायद एक और चाहिए होगी, आपको बता दूँगी. He ended up going to the wrong location. Also, some like BJP politician or something is recording when I was having some live conference event or something, and he's just screaming, and it's so funny. It's more of a conversation about building things when nobody expects you to.
Started preparing for JEE blindly. I prepared for 5 years.
Oh God!
So I was like, I want to do something different. मुझे ये नहीं करना है. I don't want to follow the engineering path, even though everyone is doing.
It's so underrated, because I feel like a lot of people get into starting out because it looks so glamorous and fancy, but they just don't have the grit or the hard work. That the only like path that you can take, and this is the only way to success. I think making money is. Hey guys, meet Siddharth.
Hey, hi guys.
We just shot together.
Yes, we
Tell
did.
us a little bit about क्या किया हमने.
I think the podcast was really good. It was more of my story and how I built Angry Toast. But meeting Avishi was a full circle moment for me. I used to watch her content in 11th, 12th standard, and now sitting next to her is really a dream.
Crazy bhai. अब हम करेंगे unbox Angry Toast socks. I've watched like all of his reels. Angry Toast has come on my feed like a million times. So doing this is very fun. First of all, like packaging is like it's so creative that you thought of putting it in like a packet like this. Okay. Oh, it's red.
So this, I got you the F1 collection because I wasn't aware what were you interested in, वगैरह. So this was the safest option I could ever go with. This is our best seller.
I'm not super into F1, but I love these. Super cool.
Got it.
It feels super nice too, like this thing, like the,
The
material. Yeah, it's very nice. Love it. Crazy. Let's go. Check out Angry Toast. Guys, I have a meeting and I've decided to record it because why the hell not? Crazy. I have to move this. The meeting starts in like 5 minutes. So let me set everything up and be ready. I think I'm just more confident when I'm on camera, which is crazy. Like, who would have thought that someone will be more confident when there is a camera staring at them? So, people are doing a lot of show outside, but I don't mind. I don't. Okay. But चल जाओ please, mobile data connect हो जाओ please. अच्छे मौके अच्छा हो गया. Sorry, love you too much. Okay, let's go. चल जाओ please, please चल जाओ, चल रहा है. Let's go. I'll just get my notebook so I can write stuff. I feel like I should wear my earphones. I don't want to do. And trust in my expertise. Should I move a little bit light as well? Yeah, I feel better about this. Let's go. Much better. Hey. Yes, you're audible. Hey, how are you? Go wrap up. Everything is done. Goodbye, meeting room. Love you very much. I'm always here. I will always return to you. Love you. This place is so pretty, by the way. Crazy. Auto value भैया मुझे मार ही देंगे. I have spent like 15 minutes extra, but that man is still waiting. What a gem of a human being. Because मुझे payment में that time लग गया. I will never understand people who don't like CG. I have so many memories here. I love it so much. Let's go. This is our dessert.
Yes, our dessert.
Hello, madam.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
My lovely co-intern.
Co-intern at Bombay Shaving Company, working on
We ordered pastries for no reason. Absolutely no reason.
They're so natural.
Oh,
It's very cute.
so cute and tiny. This is adorable.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Crazy.
So tasty and it's so tiny. There's like, you also get like a vanilla and you also get a chocolate. But it's not like, I like the taste.
Handwritten note
No, it's a
okay, yeah, it's okay.
मुझे भी कल जब मैंने खोला मैंने देखा और मैंने बोला अरे कितना अच्छा है. You know the chef has written it like the baker has written it. I said fuck no, you just like printed it out like in thin paper so that it resembles. So it's just on God. So people do anything to style now.
Valid.
This is the hazelnut.
And this is the cheesecake.
Yes. Oh, this looks nice.
Oh, viscous.